Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to add a picture to a favorite gallery in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To set our picture as a favorite one, we first have to go to the gallery. There are a few pictures here. And let's say we want Mr. Dragon to be in our favorite folder. So we access this little picture here. And at the bottom left, we have a heart icon. We tap it once, back out once again. And now when we access our albums, there is favorite option and Mr. Dragon is in favorites. And when we go to the overview, our favorite is visible by this little heart icon in top right corner. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.